guys, it's February 5th, 2021. So there I got a call from one of the daycares, lady in a panic. I guess they had flushed the toilet and the toilet wouldn't shut off. And started overflowing, and she called me in a panic. She tried to shut the valve off, and she can't turn it anymore, and it's still overflowing. So I told her to go downstairs and shut the water main off. So it's like 4:30 or so. I'm gonna probably go over there and probably have to go back tomorrow and put a new flushometer on there. But I'm gonna go over there and make sure the water main's off. They're just about closed anyway. I usually work over there on nights and weekends. I don't know, I might have a flushometer shut off in the truck. Just the valve. Well, I'm not sure. I gotta make sure she shuts the water off because it's a damsel in distress, you know. I told her where the water main was, but she might not even know what the hell she's looking for. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. It's not that far, it's just down the street from me, so. Yo, how you doing, Mama? Steve is working again, yo. Steve is working again, Mama. Alright guys, I went over there and made sure the water main was off and the flood stopped, so I'll go by there in the morning, Saturday morning, and I gotta get another flushometer for it, and the spot on the toilet's leaking too, so I'll have to see if I can maybe tighten that up. If not, I can get another spot for the toilet. One of them little short kid toilets. It's a baby shitter. Alright. So the water is off downstairs. They said they couldn't shut this off. Well, they didn't even shut it off. Unless it don't. Oh. I shut off. I don't know what they're talking about. So that shut off. It wasn't even off. They said it won't, keeps running, won't shut off, so we'll have to go around and make sure everything's off. We don't want to flood the place, right? So 2-inch water main coming in. She got it off right there. Two-inch. Yeehaw. That's a lot. Might have something open.
We went around and we shut all the things off.
Yeah, this shut off isn't holding. I gotta go get another one. I'm gonna have to again because it's not.
We shut all the faucets off. You want them back on?
Not yet, no.
Okay.
Thing's not working. I gotta go get another one. Yeah, that shut off isn't working, so we're gonna run out and get another flushometer for her. Well, that's why I just kind of cracked it. I'm gonna definitely get another flushometer for this thing because the thing's definitely smoked. So we'll see. It's gotta come off. I gotta get another one. Water should be off. If I can get this off without ruining it before I run and get another. I want to see what that spud looks like too. I'm just going to get a whole flushometer for it. see what that bottom spud looks like, what size it is, in case I need another one. Got a whole spud spinning, looks like. Might have to get a whole other spud. Yeah, I got one of them in the truck, that size spud in the truck. I'll get another one. It's coming out anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, we'll just get another flushometer, that's all. Whoa, what is it, Miss Molly? What is it, Miss Molly? Oh, I had a spud in the truck. I have to run out and get a flushometer though, I don't have one. That's the same size. That's what they look like, a spud. That's what they call a spud. I could probably get that one apart if I wanted to, but see, it's kind of compromised. We'll just put a new one in there. Alright, we're going to run out and get parts. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is we'll put in the spud. As you tighten it, it expands. That's what they call a spud. There's different sizes. They have different size ones. They got ones for urinals. They got different size ones for toilets. This is a common one. Basically, it's just tightening that rubber up, right? You could buy just a rubber part. That's good. I'm gonna go clockwise with the Teflon. That's a copper. That's coming out there, copper, 1-inch copper. If that was a urinal, it would be 3/4. So closet, I got a 3.5 gallon flush, which I'm thinking that that's probably what this is, the vintage of the toilet. We gotta cut this down, but we'll put this in first. The other one was an issue, remember? You have to be able to shut it off. If you can't shut it off, it's got to be replaced. Flat jaws. You don't mar the copper. That's so you don't mar the chrome. should be a little set screw on that. What we got coming out there is copper. It's like a scully bushing, they call it. It's threaded. It's threaded on one end. But that's for the toilet. You don't need that, that's already on there. There's the vacuum breaker. Vacuum breaker together. Like that. Put this together and we'll have to make a cut. And measure center to center here. Let's see how much we're going to cut off. Yeah, about 2 1/4. They do make a longer piece on this if you needed it, but don't need it on this one. Tighten everything up. Now we're going to put the handle on there. Should be a gasket that goes in there on the handle. The gasket goes like that. Just have to tighten everything up and we should be ready to go. Tightening everything up using the spud wrench so you don't ruin the chrome, right? And there's a cap that goes on the end there too. A cap that goes on the end after we turn the water back on, make sure everything works. Just gotta go around, make sure everything's shut off good. Got no leaks. That's the Scully that came. Hey, quiet! I'm here, Molly. It's okay. I'm here. This is a Scully that came with it. You soldered it in the copper, and then you put the escutcheon. But they had a long escutcheon on there, so I'm not going to save this. I have another one of these in the truck, but I don't need this.